Welcome back to Cynthia Untamed. This is your youthful and educational channel where we have conversations with and about children and young people in Africa. Do tell a friend to tell a friend. I have been working from home for a while now, but tomorrow I need to leave the house a little for some bit of work. So I thought I should take you along. I need to do a human interest story for some work we've done. Basically, a human interest story is like an impact story of a project. So you've done a project, now you need to write the impact of that project. So I need to go do that. You know, when COVID started, a lot of kids were left out of school for many reasons, and there are some children who've been able to go back to school through our support at UNICEF. So I'm going to write the impact of that back to school kind of scenario. So one of the things I need to do is to renew my pass because I have no access to the gate. Then the other thing I need to do is to book, to reserve for a driver, which I have already done. I've gone into the system, I've reserved a driver, I've been given a driver. So yeah, so I just want to go and print documents that I need when I'm going to go renew my pass at the UN gate. So come along with me. I'm back to the house now. I have my papers printed. I will not show you because they do have personal details that I do not want to be exposed to the internet. But I have my documents ready. Then the other thing I put together, which I had, so I didn't have to print, is the consent forms. This. So basically, when you're going to interview a child, you need consent from their parent, their guardian, or their teacher. Basically, an adult who's in charge of them at that particular moment. And because I am going to a school, I have this consent form here that says that by signing this, the image likeness will be used for UNICEF purposes. So basically the form looks like that. So I will give that to the teacher to sign. And then I have this amazing folder which I just wanted to show you for no particular reason really, but this will you be able to see it? Oh, this is just water. Trying to show you. Focus. Yeah, so I have this really nice folder must be from Rhino Cement. Yes, from Rhino Cement. Yeah, so I'll just put my papers there so that it's easier to carry, and then I'll put it in my bag. The other thing I need is this notebook. It's basically new, not for this occasion, but because the notebook I have been using is filled up. If you've watched a couple of my videos, there's this notebook I have been using from the Kenya Model United Nations. This one, Kenya Model United Nations, but it's now full. So I had to get a new notebook. So I am using this UNICEF notebook. It's a 2020 notebook, but I've never used it. So that's what I'll need. Then the other thing I need is a pen. I got this pen from a workshop by Princeton. Yeah, Princeton University. I've been interested in joining an Ivy League school or a top tier college in the UK like Oxford or Cambridge for a long time. So there's this workshop by Princeton that was happening at Windsor, which I just purposed to attend so that I could hear what programs they have to offer. And yeah, they don't have law, and neither do they have anything in communication, I believe, for masters. So I ended up not applying, but I got this pen. So that's what I need for tomorrow. Yeah, that's all I need. A notebook, a folder with a couple of documents, and a pen. Good morning. It is the following day. It's about 8:05 and I am just about to leave the house. As you can see, I am wearing this blue t-shirt. It's written UNICEF for every child. So basically, it's not really a special occasion. It's just that I have to stay visible when I'm out in the field. I wouldn't call it the field really, but yeah, because I'm out, so at least it helps me to identify myself when I go to an institution. So that's what I'm wearing. Nothing fancy. My hair, the white stuff is hair cream for dandruffs and all. It should melt in a couple of minutes. So first I'm going to go to the UN to get my gate pass. And then the other thing I need is to wait for the driver at the gate. I'm not going to really walk into the compound because I don't need to. So I'll just get my pass, then call the driver, tell her I am around, then she'll pick me up, and then we will go to Pangani to pick another colleague of mine, and then we'll head to Kibera. You won't believe it, but I got to the school very well, got in. I had a conversation with the headmaster of the school, but he told us that the kids are now doing exams and he requested that we go back tomorrow. So basically we were not able to interview the kids, we're not able to talk to them, but I was able to give the head teacher the name of the two children who I am to interact with. I told him the purpose of the visit, and yes, he is very aware that at some point he has received some sort of support, so that was good. So what I did is I gave him the consent letters that I showed you earlier. I left them with him so that he can read them, have a look at them, and then sign the children over so that when we spend time with them, everything is good to go. So basically we just came back home. What I did is we went through town, had lunch, then I came back to the house. So we will follow up tomorrow.